Hey everyone, so I have a ThinkPad Lenovo tablet. It's got an Intel inside, and that's the processor. We need to go ahead and open this um, Lenovo tablet and see how we can replace the battery. Finally, it's dead, and the client started complaining that the battery error was popping up earlier. So the easiest way to do this, if you have something that looks like that, or maybe one of these, or maybe you can just use one of these to prop it up. And so let's go ahead and try and see what we can do here. I went and I removed the pen. You don't need anything special to open this up with. You don't even need to open up the screws because it doesn't have any screws. It's okay if some of these safeties pop out. Don't worry about that. Let's see what else we can do. Slowly by slowly, let's prop it open and then get that battery out of there. Okay. Having a little trouble here, but we're going to fix it. As you can see, we have a little crack, so we need to figure out why that's happening. Okay, so now shucks, hold on. Now let's see what's gonna happen here. It seems to be propping open by itself. Voila. Now this is how computers look like. As you can see right there is the rechargeable battery. So this is exactly what you need to buy. You need to shop for something that says let's see, lithium. You need the serial number. So the serial number is right there. Or maybe you can use this and then you can shop online for it. So that's exactly how you pry open a Lenovo tablet. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.